You know that moment when you see an incredible car out in the wild, but something just feels entirely off. Usually it is the wheels. They either make or break the entire look, attitude, and stance of a vehicle. We spend a massive amount of time obsessing over engine horsepower, exhaust notes, and perfect paint correction. Yet the actual pieces of metal bolting the car to the pavement often get completely ignored. We're going to strip away the useless marketing jargon and look at what you are actually paying for when you decide to upgrade. The manufacturing reality. Let me explain how these things are actually made, because this is where the real differences start. Standard alloy wheels are almost always cast in a factory. The manufacturer takes liquid molten aluminum, pours it into a pre-shaped mold, and lets it cool down. It is a highly efficient way to mass-produce parts, which ultimately keeps the price point down for the consumer. But there's a major catch to doing it this way. As that liquid metal cools and solidifies inside the mold, microscopic air pockets form naturally inside the material. Automotive engineers call this porosity. You cannot see it from the outside when you're looking at a shiny new wheel, but those tiny hidden voids mean the metal is not as dense as it could be. To make up for that lack of density, manufacturers have to use significantly more material to ensure the wheel will not just shatter under the heavy weight of the car. Premium wheels completely abandon this mass production process. When you step up to high-end options, you're usually looking at a forged wheel. They do not pour liquid metal into a mold. Instead, they start with a solid block of aerospace-grade billet aluminum. They take that massive solid chunk of metal, heat it up to extreme temperatures, and crush it under millions of pounds of mechanical pressure until it takes the basic shape of a wheel. Think about what happens when you compress something that hard. You completely eliminate any possibility of air pockets. The internal grain structure of the aluminum aligns and tightens, resulting in a tremendously dense piece of metal. Bottom line, a forged wheel is fundamentally stronger at a microscopic level than a cast wheel could ever be. You are paying for that uncompromised structural integrity. Weight and performance dynamics. Now I need to talk about weight, because this changes everything about how your car feels. Unsprung mass is the absolute enemy of automotive performance. Unsprung mass is defined as any part of the car that is not supported by the suspension system. This includes your rubber tires, your heavy brake calipers, and your wheels. Standard alloy wheels are definitely lighter than old-school steel wheels, which is exactly why the entire auto industry moved to them decades ago. But remember those microscopic air pockets we just talked about? Because cast wheels need thicker spokes and heavier barrels to maintain their structural integrity, they still carry a significant amount of dead, useless weight. When you have heavy wheels bolted to your hubs, your engine has to work much harder just to turn them. Your brakes have to work harder to stop them. Your suspension has to work overtime to keep them planted over bumps and dips in the road. Premium forged wheels completely rewrite the rules on weight. Because the forged aluminum is so incredibly dense and inherently strong, engineers can carve away a massive amount of metal without sacrificing safety. The spokes can be milled thinner. The barrel can be made lighter. You end up with a wheel that weighs significantly less than a factory cast alloy. When you drop that rotational weight, the entire car wakes up. Acceleration feels instantly crisper off the line. The steering responds faster to your inputs on curvy back roads. The suspension reacts quicker to imperfections in the road, keeping the tire contact patch firmly planted on the asphalt. It is not just about looking good at a weekend car show. Upgrading to a lightweight premium wheel is one of the most effective mechanical performance modifications you can make to any vehicle. Durability and the pothole test. Eventually, you're going to hit something while driving. A massive pothole hiding in the shadows, a piece of heavy debris on the highway, or a poorly designed transition on an old bridge. Here's what matters when that impact happens. Standard cast alloy wheels are incredibly rigid, but they're also quite brittle by nature. Because of the porous structure of the cast metal, they do not have a lot of flexibility built into them. If you strike a sharp edge at 60 miles an hour, a cast wheel is highly likely to crack or even shatter entirely. A cracked wheel loses air pressure immediately. If you're lucky, you safely pull over and wait for a tow truck. If you're unlucky, you completely lose control of the car at highway speeds. It is a sudden and catastrophic failure point. Premium forged wheels handle a severe impact entirely differently. That tight, compressed grain structure gives the metal an incredible amount of physical resilience. When a forged wheel takes a heavy hit, it usually bends instead of breaking. It will deform under extreme stress, but it stays in one solid piece. The tire might still hold air, allow you to safely pull over or cautiously limp home. More importantly, a bent forged wheel can often be salvaged and repaired by a specialized metal shop. They can carefully heat the barrel and pull it back in a true alignment. If you shatter a cast wheel, it goes straight into the aluminum recycling bin. This high level of resilience is exactly why professional race cars exclusively use forged wheels. When you're pushing a vehicle to its absolute physical limit, you need mechanical parts that fail predictably and safely. Customization and aesthetics. Let me explain the visual difference, because buying new wheels is undeniably an emotional purchase. Standard alloy wheels are mass-produced for the general public. You're basically buying an off-the-rack suit. You get to choose from the specific sizes, offsets, and bolt patterns the manufacturer decided to produce in large batches of 10,000. If their specific offset does not quite fit your car perfectly, you're stuck using wheel spacers to push the wheel out, which is never the ideal mechanical solution. The factory finish options are usually strictly limited to plain silver, flat black, or maybe a machined face. They look fine, but they look exactly like thousands of other cars currently on the road. Premium wheels offer total, uncompromising control over the final product. You are buying a bespoke suit tailored perfectly to your exact measurements. Because many premium wheels are completely built to order, you tell the manufacturer precisely what you want. You specify the exact width and the precise millimeter of offset to ensure the wheel sits perfectly flush with your car fenders. You do not need danger spacers. You do not have to compromise on the final fitment. Furthermore, premium wheels often come in complex multi-piece configurations. You might have a forged center face bolted to a separate inner barrel and outer lip. This opens up a completely new universe of customization. You can order a brushed bronze center face with a highly polished copper lip and lightweight titanium hardware. If you accidentally curb a multi-piece wheel while parallel parking, you do not have to throw the whole thing away. You simply unbolt the damaged lip section and order a relatively cheap replacement part. The final verdict. So, which route actually makes sense for you and your vehicle? Standard alloy wheels do a perfectly fine job for normal daily commuting. If you view your car strictly as an appliance to get you safely from point A to point B, you do not need to spend thousands of hard-earned dollars on custom forged wheels. The factory alloys will hold up to average daily driving conditions and look perfectly acceptable doing it. However, if you deeply care about how your vehicle drives, how it looks sitting still, and how it performs under immense pressure, premium wheels easily justify their steep price tag. You are investing in superior aerospace-grade metallurgy. You are drastically reducing unsprung mass to unlock far better handling, braking, and acceleration. You are gaining a vital safety margin against catastrophic failure on rough, unpredictable roads. And finally, you're getting a completely tailored, one-of-a-kind appearance that perfectly matches your specific vision for the car. It is undeniably a significant financial commitment up front. But once you actually feel the dramatic difference behind the steering wheel, it is very hard to ever go back to driving on heavy cast alloys.